Hey guys, welcome back. We got a Polaris 3900 and it's not moving, so it acts like the wheels are jammed up. So let's see if we can figure out what's going on. First of all, we'll take the 3 screws out of the bottom. Okay, set this out of the way. Okay, this is our drive gear here. And it's got a water wheel in there, and as the water turns it, it should turn turns this drive wheel, which then moves the other wheels. But we're locked up, so I'm assuming it's in this bearing here. So let's take that apart and check. Get the water management system out of the way. You have 3 screws. Don't lose those. There's the 3rd one. Okay. Now this is the drive gear. Okay, we'll take that loose. There's 4 screws. Work it out of the chain. Okay. Now see, this won't turn. This should turn. So that tells me that the problem is in here. And to open that, there's a little tab. Just open it up. Alright. Now sometimes we'll find a rock right there. Something's hanging up. It's hard. Can you see it right here? Missing a tooth. And so that's, and actually there's the tooth. It's caught right there in that gear. So that's it right there. So unfortunately, the repair for this, I don't believe you can buy this wheel. You actually have to buy this whole assembly, this drive gear assembly, to make that repair. But that broken gear, spur gear, I think it's a spur gear, is what's causing the problem. So anyway, we'll replace that. There'll be a link in the description for this part that you need. And hope you guys have a great summer.